Good morning, and today I am going to explain you pinhole camera, for which what you have to do is to take a shoe box, right, and take a medium sized shoe box, and what you need to do is to color the inside of the box with black paint or color. Okay. See, inside portion is colored with black color. Of a needle, make a tiny hole on one side of the cardboard box. See, this is a hole that I have made. It should be of point size. It should not be big. Otherwise, blurred image will be formed. Next, cut out a rectangular portion of the side of the cardboard box opposite to the one on which the pinhole was made. So this is a tracing paper which I have pasted on the opposite side of the pinhole where I made pinhole. So tracing paper was pasted. Okay, and you will find that there is it is cut in a rectangular shape. Is this clear? Now what we need to do is to cover the rectangular box hole with the tracing paper and this paper sheet. Okay, this tracing paper will act as a screen, right, and this pinhole will be the medium, will be the way through which light will enter. Okay, hole, again repeating, should not be made big, otherwise if the hole is too big there will be a blurred image. Images will overlap each other and you will not find a proper image being formed. So what you need to observe the image with the help of a pinhole camera. First we have pinhole camera ready, and one more thing, a candle, right, and a matchstick. So I'm going to show you how the image will be formed. So what you can see is that the flame is appearing over here, okay, and the flame is inverted, right, flame of the candle is inverted and it is the real image formed is real, inverted, and the size of the image depends upon actually flame is not still, so the size of the image depends upon what, the distance between the screen and obviously the object. The burning source that I have taken is actually the flame, is a candle. Okay, so I'm now going to explain you. I hope ये कुछ आप लोगों को दिख गया हो थोड़ा सा. Flame is inverted, right. So now going to explain you how pinhole camera works, working of a pinhole camera. So before that we should know that light travels in a straight line, right, and this phenomenon is known as rectilinear propagation of light. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? rectilinear propagation of light. rectilinear motion जैसे हमने पढ़ा था, rectilinear motion हमने जैसे पढ़ा था कि motion in a straight line, that is why rectilinear word, rectilinear propagation of light. Now this is what I have drawn, a pinhole camera, right. This is a hole of the pinhole camera, and we are going to see that how image formation happens. Pinhole camera. So I am going to show you that a light ray from a light ray from the top of the flame, okay, it will pass through pinhole. Okay, it will pass through the pinhole and will reach here at the screen, right. So if we will say that this is point A, we can say that this is A dash. Okay, now the flame क्या हो जाता है? So this is the direction of the ray of light, and at this point obviously it will also, ray coming out from this point will also pass from pinhole and will reach here. Now they are crossing, intersecting rays, so you can say that the image formed is real one. Real image can be formed, can be obtained on screen. तो कैसी image बनेगी? Real image बनेगी. And real image कैसी image होती है? Which can be obtained, can be obtained on screen. This is the second ray which I have shown you. यहाँ से भी आप ray दिखा सकते हो. पूरा जो भी object है, we can see the image of the object in the pinhole camera, on the screen of the pinhole camera. So image will be inverted. कैसी image बनी? Inverted बनी. जो कि अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी वीडियो में आपने देखा होगा तो आपको अंदाज़ा हो गया होगा फ्लेम कैसा आ रहा था, उल्टा आ रहा था, अपसाइड डाउन. तो इमेजेस कैन बी ऑब्टेन, रियल इमेज बनी और कैसी बनी? इन्वर्टेड बनी. इन्वर्टेड इमेज इज ऑब्टेन्ड ऑन द स्क्रीन. अब हम यूजेस देख लेते हैं पिनहोल कैमरे के. यूजेस ऑफ पिनहोल कैमरा. Pinhole camera can be used to see some distant objects, दूर के objects, like tree. You can see trees, you can see buildings also, and it can be used to see solar eclipse. This is S, solar eclipse. Solar eclipse को भी आप देख सकते हैं with the help of pinhole camera. ऐसे naked eye से नहीं देखना, but you can see a solar eclipse with the help of pinhole camera. ठीक है. Now one more topic that is left is pinhole camera in nature. Nature में क्या pinhole camera आपको दिखता है? What we can see, we can pinhole camera in nature. You must have observed that you could have seen, I think, round spots of light in the shadow of a tree. Suppose this is a tree, right? And you can see round spots in the shadow. Shadow है, उसमें round spots आपको दिखते हुए नज़र आते होंगे. अब के बार आप ये बहुत आराम से देख सकते हैं. And these in fact are actually what? Are the pinhole images of the sun. Sun की pinhole images होती हैं. And the gaps between leaves. जो leaves में gap होता है, right? ये मैंने पूरी branches नहीं बताई हैं. They act as what? Between the leaves they act as pinholes. ये pinhole की तरह, जैसे ये pinhole था, ऐसे ही leaves के बीच में जो gap होता है, it acts as a pinhole to the what? Pinhole to, obviously it acts as a pinhole camera. और pinhole की तरह जब act करता है तो sun rays जब उससे pass होती हैं तो you can see the image of the sun. These gaps between the leaves are of obviously irregular shapes, but we can see सर्कुलर इमेजेस ऑफ द सन. तो यहाँ पे आपको सन की इमेजेस दिखती हैं, क्योंकि मैं आपको शेडोज़ में ही बता चुकी हूँ. स्क्रीन कैसा हो, स्क्रीन ग्राउंड भी हो सकता है, स्क्रीन कैन बी वॉल ऑल्सो, बट इट शुड बी ओपेक. तो इमेज ऑफ द सन कैन ऑल्सो बी ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड द लीव्स एक्ट एज पिन होल. ओके, पिन होल की तरह काम करती हैं और उसमें आप सन की इमेजेस देखते रहेंगे, चमकती हुई सी इमेज आपको दिखती रहेगी. ठीक है. तो ये क्या है? दिस इज अबाउट पिन होल कैमरा. इसमें हमने एक ये टर्म हमने न्यू पढ़ा है, रेक्टिलिनियर प्रोपगेशन ऑफ लाइट, दैट लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. Activity 6 I am explaining you, where which light travels in a straight line, and this is the reason why will help you in knowing that light travels in a straight line. This activity can be done at home very easily, like we have discussed pinhole camera before, but this activity is to be understood for understanding pinhole camera. So what you need to have? A pipe. Obviously it should be flexible. You can take a rubber pipe, right, and a burning candle. And when you will place your eye close to the opening of the pipe, you could be able to see the flame of the candle. Okay, but if you will bend the pipe little while you are seeing the flame of the candle, if you will bend it, right, and now again if you will try to see the flame of the candle, you will not be able to see the flame of the candle. Okay, here you can see the flame of the candle when the pipe was straight, but when the pipe was bent, then you were unable to see the flame of the candle. So what does it suggest? Unable to see the flame. It shows that light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. Otherwise लाइट अगर स्ट्रेट लाइन में ट्रेवल नहीं करती तो इस बैंड ट्यूब से भी आपको दिख जाता फ्लेम, लेकिन नहीं दिख पाया. इट इंडिकेट्स दैट लाइट ट्रेवल्स इन अ straight line, and this property is known as rectilinear propagation of light, which we use. This is the reason why we were able to see the image in the pinhole camera, because light travels in a straight line.